This is the Alcon McBride V4. This unit is the overall brains behind the operation of the 4D theater. It handles inputs and outputs, which include security and fire signaling, along with controls for the doors, and acts as the center point for the rest of the Alcon McBride equipment that we use to run the 4D theater. If you look at the bottom of the screen here, you see the light cue that controls the lighting. That goes back to the V4. The two bin loops up here, they go back to the V4. So the V4 itself controls the doors and sends signals to the hydraulic controller, and then manages the bin loop and the light cue. Most everything is hardwired into and out of the V4. It's very low maintenance. And then you can see output 1 is blinking currently. That's the heartbeat. That's a communications output that goes to the hydraulic controller to let the hydraulic controller know that the V4 is out there and looking for it. If at some point the hydraulic controller ceases to see that output blinking, then it will shut down because it's going to assume it's not communicating with the V4 anymore. And we have a few other outputs that are constantly on. Those are essentially sensors. And then the inputs are in green above. So you'll see some of those come on. If you trigger a security sensor, it'll pop up there. If you're attempting to reboot the V4 for any given reason, you want to put a soft reboot. That's 1 here. And then what you'll see is a screen pop up that says soft reboot. It will say starting up, and it will display any errors that may pop up. What you're seeing now is typical for a startup. If at any point the security is triggered or the fire alarm is triggered, it will change that screen.